If you're looking for a nice truck for the weekend or daily commute, come down and check out this 2017 GMC Denali. This thing's fully loaded. It's got the power running boards, power seats, memory seats, leather interior, beautiful dash layout, digital and analog gauges, heated steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen radio. You got heated and cooled seats. Let's see here, we've got navigation also with a color backup camera. This Denali also has a power moonroof. In the back you got comfortable seating for more passengers with your fold down armrest. Flip the bottom of that seat up and you can fit some more cargo. This truck's also got the step-up bumper, receiver hitch, and spray-in bed liner. Come down and level up with us today.